Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about RTX 390. My name is Ahmad Zarif.
My name is Muhammad Syakir Ismail Samsudin. My name is Muhammad Fadi bin Asmi.
Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful graphic cards available, the NVIDIA RTX 3090. Built on the MP architecture, this card is designed to excel in gaming, professional computing, and video production. So, let's dive into what makes the RTX 3090 is so exceptional. The RTX 3090 is equipped with an incredible 10,496 CUDA cores. These cores allow the card to handle complex tasks like machine learning, scientific simulation, and 3D graphic rendering with ease. With 24GB of GDDR6 VRM, the RTX 3090 has more than enough memory for the most demanding workloads, including 4K and 8K gaming, creating high-resolution content and managing large AI datasets. It's powerhouse for deep learning and AI applications. One standout feature of the RTX 3090 is its support for second-generation ray tracing cores. This technology enables real-time tracing, providing realistic lighting, shadow, and reflection in compatible games and applications. The card also features DLSS 2.0. This is AI-driven upscaling technology boosts performance by taking lower resolution image and improving them without sacrificing visual quality. The RTX 3090 offers flexibility with multi GPU support through NVIDIA NVLink, allowing users to build a powerful system with multiple GPUs. Additionally, it supports PCIe 4.0, which enables faster data transfer between the GPU and the system, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Designed for the next generation of immersive experience, the RTX 3090 is perfect for 8K gaming and visual reality. Its cutting-edge power ensures that you can enjoy the highest levels of realism and performance in demanding games and applications. The RTX 3090 doesn't just excel at gaming and graphics. It also supports hardware-accelerated video encoding and decoding, including AV1, H.264, and HEVC codecs. This makes it ideal for high-quality video streaming, editing, and real-time content creation. Moreover, with NVIDIA Broadcast, the card offers AI-powered features like visual backgrounds and background noise reduction for professional content creators. Finally, the RTX 3090 is designed with future-proofing in mind. Whether you are working on AI-driven application, real-time rendering, or immersive gaming experience, the RTX 3090 is ready to handle it all. It's one of the most powerful consumer GPUs on the market today.
I will present about the Ampere architecture. The image shows the internal structure of the Ampere architecture, especially the streaming multiprocessor SM design. The streaming multiprocessor is the core computational unit in NVIDIA's GPUs. Ampere's SM architecture includes an L0 instruction cache that stores instructions for efficient execution by the SM. Each SM has 4 work schedulers and 4 dispatch units, and each work scheduler has 32 threads simultaneously. The FP32 will handle floating point operations. Meanwhile, INT32 will execute integer operation and will work alongside FP32 without performance trade-offs. In Ampere architecture is to improve the floating point. The Ampere doubles the F3P2 performance by integrating additional F3P2 into each SM. This will allow for higher workloads like gaming, rendering, and scientific computing. It also enhances Tensor Core as it is optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. Next, I will explain the floating point calculation in computer. As you can see, the floating point for FP32 sine 1 bit, exponent 8 bits, mantissa 23 bits. It can provide a wide range and a high precision. Meanwhile, the F32, the TensorFloat 32, is a hybrid format introduced by the NVIDIA. The floating point for the F32 is sine 1 bit, exponent 8 bits, and mantissa 10 bits. The purpose is to balance the precision and performance. It is suitable for AI workloads. The workflow on the right demonstrates how FP32 matrices are handled in TF32 operation. The input matrices are converted to the TF32 format for multiplication. The result is accumulated back into an FP32 matrix to maintain precision.
Next slide is me, and I'm gonna talk about the performance. There were quite something I want to share about it, especially in gaming and 3D rendering. In gaming, the performance for this GPU is very good. It is because at 4K, the RTX 3090 does provide the level of performance where you can just crank every setting up to the max and just forget about it. For example, Final Fantasy XV or Final Fantasy 15, with a famous one for game that stuttering every single time. If we go setting up to the max, 70 plus FPS, which like almost completely eliminated thanks to the 34 GB frame buffer. The next one is it is also can be used in 8K gaming, although it is not recommended. It is because more visually intense single player games like Dark Souls 3 in 8K gaming with the frame rate in that is 40s, which is definitely still playable performance. For 8K gaming, this GPU is early adopter tech in every single way, so we must take consideration about it. Okay, the next point I want to say is 3D rendering. For 3D rendering, it is hugely compelling to creative professional. It is because creative professional that need this level of performance via investing thousands of dollars in a Quadro or Tesla card can pick this graphic GPU. It is because even though they are using the same chip, processing effect do see improvement depending on GPU you're using. With RTX, with this GPU, you should have absolutely no problem playing back videos in real time while editing. The next one is faster benchmark. It is because, as you can see in the graph that I show in here, time rendering for BMW in 22.90 is so fast. In CUDA, it takes about 22 seconds to render, while RTX only needs 11 seconds to render. It all thanks to the sheer amount of VRAM and FP32 performance that contribute this fast rendering.
In conclusion, the NVIDIA RTX 3090 sets a new standard in GPU technology with 10,496 CUDA cores and 24 GB of GDDR6X VRAM, delivering unmatched power for multitasking, gaming, and ultra-realistic visuals. Beyond gaming, it's a vital tool for content creators, for researchers, and professionals in industry like film production, and enabling them to achieve results in weeks. That's 1 to years with advanced features like real-time ray tracing and DLSS. The RTX 3090 is feature-proof, meeting growing demand and accelerating workflows. It transforms the way we approach gaming, rendering, and content creation, unlocking new possibilities and efficiency. That's all from us, from Group 2. Thank you.